we connected the A module, AC cable, DC cable, and we simulate that, for example, this is the drone, and the A module put it here, and then pull out the cable, connect it with the A module. Okay, then we connect her with the AC power. Okay, then connect her with the AC. And then connect her with the grid power. Start, turn on the AC. Then we press this button to start the AC. Then we slide, and there's some cautions we should read before use our tether station. And after read the cautions, we skip. We go to the home page. We can see it's Chinese language, and we can also change language here. And this is the alarming sound. When the machine alarms, then the machine will beep 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 and turn off the sound. And this is the for the another function, optional function for the onboard lighting device. We can try one by one and then turn off this. If you choose the lighting device, okay, we go back, and here we can set in the tension and also the retraction speed. Okay. Then slide up back. Here show the power, wattage, current, and temperature, and the length, and the power consumption, and the working status, normal or unnormal, the timing. And this button is force the retraction, retract the cable. And here we start the high voltage by press this button. Then we slide here. We start the high voltage. Okay. Then we can see that the voltage goes up to 750. Okay, we can hear that the air module is working now. The cooling fan is working, and we check. Here is input high voltage, and here is output, the DC 50. We can see that both output So we check that the output is no issue. Then we will off the high voltage. We press this button, then slide it back. When the high voltage off, then we disconnect the cable, the cables, the high voltage cable connector. Yes. And as we can see, that this cable no retractor automatic, because we pull out this cable before turn on the AC, so it doesn't retractor. How we retract? We press this button, force the retractor, and we can see that the cable go in automatically. Yes. Okay, after retractor we loose our finger, then finish. And now the machine is on, the AC is on. So when we pull out the cable, then we can see that the machine show the cable length here. And also when the drone goes down, the cable retractor go in. Okay, try again. Okay, go in. Yes, okay. Okay, then turn off the AC power. Press long time, around the 3 seconds, then mission off. Off the AC grid power, and then disconnect the cables. And then take it off here. Okay, then finish the operation.